It's Bugger. Yeah, Bugger on the track. The tornado gonna get us when we're in the North Pole. I'm super scared, cause the tornado's gonna get us. The ice is flying up in the air. It's getting really, really scary. I'm so scared. Y'all hear that? It's the tornado's calling my name. It's raining in the North Pole, and there's a lot of snow everywhere. The North Pole is getting a tornado. Santa's factory is being shut down right now. As I'm recording this, I'm inside of Santa's factory. I'm in the basement. Yeah. The tornado's gonna get us while we are in the North Pole. The tornado's gonna get us. So be careful. When the tornado hits us, we're all gonna be so surprised. The tornado's running at 25. A A5 tornado is headed the North Pole way. Yeah. They're gonna get us. It's gonna get us. The tornado's gonna get us. The tornado's gonna get us. Cause the tornado's gonna get us, and we need to seek shelter. It's pretty scary about the tornado, guys, be careful. The tornado's gonna get us. It's gonna get us.